What's up, guys? Today I'll be fixing the steering and hopefully driving the Jeep. So today I'm going to be trying to fix this steering, and first off, I thought that the tie rod actually snapped here on the end, and then like half of the rod was still going to be in the rack, which is up there. But I actually found out it just pulled out, so it actually shaved the threads off of the end of the tie rod here. So that's probably a good thing, because as long as I can clean up the threads in the rack up there, I then should just be able to thread on a new tie rod, and I won't need to mess with putting a whole new rack in this thing. So I'm hoping that's the case. I did get a new tie rod here. So yeah, I'm gonna first just take the old one out and then start looking at those threads in the rack, clean them up, and hopefully the new one will just thread in and I can just replace it. Just set the length the same as this tie rod, and it should be good enough for now, and go from there. I just spent about a half an hour cleaning out the threads that are in the rack. So as you can see, these are just some of the chips I pulled out. So those are actually the threads that came off of the actual tie rod. So now that I got that cleaned up, I should be able to put the new tie rod in and the new boot on.